Okay, welcome to today's guitar lesson edition. You are all welcome to today's guitar lesson edition. Today we are doing a song from, let me look at Oriental Brothers. Their song Ibezin Ako. Pardon me about the language. I'm not familiar with the language. Ibezina Ako. That is the title of the song from Oriental Brothers. My friend Fred GC, you asked for the song that we should do a lesson about this song. So my friend Fred, this is the song you requested for from Oriental Brothers. So let's go straight to the song. It's been a while, but pardon me for a long break because sometimes you need to take vacation, midterm and other things as well. So let's go straight to the board without wasting much time. So let's go. Okay, so we have the song as key C. So I played it on this C. You can choose to play it wherever you want. You can play it here or here or here. But I chose here, the E shape. So the song it started like this. So do ti la so fa mi re do re mi fa so la ti do. So in the E shape here. Do ti la so fa mi re do. I play some here and I move here. Do ti la so fa mi re do ti la so. So these are the sophas I use. Do ti la so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi re do. So G shape, and I play some in the E shape here, and I move forward to C shape here in the key C. So let's take over. This is so you see the chord progression is do and so. That is 1-5 chord progression. So do so do so. That's the progression of the song. We'll go to that later. But let's tackle the intro. I'm sure that is the program. So you see it is in the so chord. So we move so ti so la do ti. Then we move to re. This is re duet because this is re and fa. Re so let's we all punch re so let's take it slow. And this is so chord, you see, it's the same as so, but duet here. Two times. When we play it 2 times. Again. Ti so re, ti so la so fa mi re. Again. Ti so la so fa mi re. That part. So we all point. Then we point the do chord, but it is me duet. Me or do. You see, because it's so and me, so we can say it is either me or do, because we have. So because the chord is do, so we don't say it's me, it is do. So they all play. So do. So let's take it slowly. So that is where we've reached. So let's continue. Then we move to T, re, do, re, T. We play that for the 4th time. 3rd time. The 4th time we move to the scale. So T, re, do. That is duet. Re and T. So making up the T duet. So take a look at it carefully. T, re, do, re, ti, re, do. For the fourth time, we play do, re, ti, la, so, fa, mi, mo, re, do. Again, let's take that part. So we move do, re, ti, la. So again, that is the scale. So let's take it slow. Then we play that again. 2 times. So after we play that 2 times, then we move here. You strike from do here to the do so here. Again. So 4 times. Again. So fa mi re do. When we play do so fa mi re do mi fa re mi do re ti ti. So again. So titi, so it is the same titi so chord. So la ti re do re mi fa re mi do re titi so 2 times. Titi so do so la ti re do. That is that side. Then we play. That's the first part. You see, that is do. Ti la so fa mi mo. So it's as another mi mo re do. So take your time. Don't be in a haste. So let's take that. Let's go. The second time. That's that part. So then we slide. So let's take over that part. When we take over that part, you move on to the next part. Then that is all. So let's go. Let's start the whole thing. We're going. Second time. So reach here. So let's continue. So let's tackle that. so fa ni re fa re ti do. Again. See. So let's go. So let's go. Then the singer comes in. Again. So fa ni re fa re ti do. So fa ni re fa re ti do. Re so fa ni re. When we reach there, so fa ni re fa ti do re mi fa re mi do re ti re ti la ti do. So let's do that part again. So fa ni re. Well, let's play together so that you get a feel. Let's start the whole thing. So this is the same thing when the singer finished every bar, he plays that thing again. So let's learn here before. So fa ni re fa re ti do again. So fa ni re fa re ti do mi fa re mi do re ti. Write it down. If you do not write it down, you will not get exactly what I'm telling you. Again. Then singer comes in. So let's take it from the rest. So every time you finish, you play that. So, do. So I don't want the lesson to be too long. Let's take over what we've done so far. So Na Oka. I can't pronounce it well. That is the song. So with this lesson, I'm done with it. My friend Fred, you requested that we should do this lesson. So this is your lesson you requested for. There are other lessons from Odehyie he said you should do daughter song and other requests. So we are doing it. We are speeding up things. So if you have anything or any offer for me, please, you are welcome. Because maybe you want to give me something small for credit for any other thing, please, you are welcome. Data bundles, anything or anything you want to offer to me as a gift, you are welcome. I will not deter you from doing that. So if you have any help for me, anything at all, you can give it to me through. You can even leave me a comment. I'll give you my WhatsApp number or my mobile number, MTN mobile money number, so you can give me your gift or anything differently. It's welcome. Thank you very much. Odum God, like Amisa Waters, Gail is Bonye, Imbami, Samuel Sega, Samuel Manu. I cannot mention everybody's name. So she does it, my uncle Wafa, Isaac, South Africa. You are all being wonderful to me, both here and my Facebook page is doing well as well, good as well, because I have a big family behind me supporting me throughout all my work. So I'm proud of you, my followers and my fans. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet very soon for the other lesson.